Hi, I've been thinking of getting a new mixer grinder. Something that looks nice and actually works well. Which one are you using nowadays? Oh yes, I recently got the Morphe Recharge Icon Superb. It's 750 watts and honestly, just like the name says, it's super. Really? Is Morphe Recharge actually good? I haven't heard much about it to be honest. You know what? It's one of my favorite brands. I still have their old Devo model at home. 12 years? That's a solid brand then. I have been using it for 12 years now, and guess what? It's still working. Wow. Full trust on the brand then. I was chatting with Ritu about this mixer, and then I was like, wait, I have to show you guys too. You will see why I am so obsessed. First, let's talk about power. This one has a 750 watt motor, which means it can handle all kind of tasks from grinding tough masalas to making smooth coconut paste and even creamy smoothies. The best part is you don't have to keep checking either something is grounding properly or not. It gets the job done super quickly. Now coming to the jars, you get 4 jars in the box, a 1.5 liter liquidizing jar, a 1 liter jar for dry and wet grinding, a 400 ml chutney jar, and a big 1.7 liter juicer jar. Along with that, it has three speed levels and a pulse mode. So whether you are making chutney or juice, you have got total control. And yes, let's not ignore the look of it. This mixer has a silver and black finish that actually looks quite premium on the kitchen counter. The jars, 3 jars are made of stainless steel so they feel solid and durable. Lids are plastic but good quality, lightweight but not at all flimsy. Inside there is a 100% copper motor and is not just powerful but even long lasting. And since we are talking about performance, the blades are stainless steel and it runs at a speed of around 20,000 rpm. So yes, it's quite fast again. But let me tell you one small thing honestly, because the motor is so powerful, you do hear some noise while grinding like all mixer grinders, but since it finishes the job so quickly, I don't really mind the sound. With that, let's quickly talk about some smart little features. It's got anti-skid fit so it doesn't move around while walking. And there is an overload protection system, so if the motor heats up or the jar is full, the machine automatically shuts off. It also has a safety lock system, which means unless the jar is locked properly, the mixer won't even start. So good for safety, right? And yes, the body is shockproof and insulated. So even if your hands are a little wet, you won't get any electric shocks. Super safe, especially in a busy kitchen. So now let's move from talking to showing things. Today I'm going to make 3 things: flaxseed powder, wet dal rice batter, and fresh beetroot carrot juice. Starting with flax seeds in the small chutney jar. These are pretty tough to grind into fine powder, but let's see how it handles it. And there you go. In just a few seconds, fine smooth powder ready to use. Perfect for adding into smoothies, chapati dough or curd. Next up, soak dal and rice to make batter. This 1 liter jar is perfect for everyday use. As I mentioned, my old mixer used to take quite some time, but this one, look at the smooth and creamy consistency. Ready in no time. So ready for idli, dosa or vada, whatever you are craving. And now let's make some healthy juice. Beetroot and carrots going into this 1.7 liter juicer jar. It barely took a minute and just look at that rich color. Fresh, homemade and no preservatives, a total health booster. So now it's time for my honest verdict. This mixer handles everything I have thrown at it. From dry masalas to wet batter to juice. It's quick, efficient and super easy to use. I actually got it for 3200 rupees during an offer. Otherwise its regular price is 4099 rupees. There's also a similar model in a different color with the same power and jars, and that one is a bit more budget friendly too. So if you are trying to save a little, that could be a great option as well. Just keep an eye on the deals. You will be surprised how often you find amazing products at really unbeatable prices. So if you are looking for a multi-purpose and reliable mixer grinder like Ritu, which will last for years, go for this one. You will definitely not regret it. If you like the video, like it and share it with your friends and family members, because sharing is caring, right? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, become a part of our small family and keep me motivated to bring more honest reviews for you. See you in the next video. Take care and stay safe.